hello there. Now this time I would like to show you how to make a DIY Dracula cape. So although I buy this already to Amazon, and it's so simple, so I made some twists for this to make it look gorgeous. So first I buy this ribbon, and I buy this, what do you call this? It's a spangle, right? So a red spangle to make it more theme on Dracula, so they're more used to use red. And so I surrounded, so I didn't surrounded by beach para to make it gorgeous. But now I will have to show you, no, hindi natin nakunan ng video yung ating to make it more attractive. So I put a spangle above so I will stitch it one by one. So the only thing that you have to do is patient. Yes, a big. I stitch it one by one because they are not connected. So one by one, cross here. So I will let you show to after finish it, because my place here, because I have to lay down this to make it straight. The crosses make straight. So nandito tayo sa lapad para makuha natin yung center. To get the center, so I have to lay down here. So later, guys, I will show you if it is finished. Hi everyone, good evening. Now this time I'm gonna show you how did I prepare my vampire attire this Halloween. Now first, I would like to introduce to you my vampire fangs, scarecrow. Ayan. So I prepared this. So mamaya po ikakawin ko din. And I wore already my sexy vampire. So I would like to seduce everybody, especially the guys, to bite on the neck. Okay, I wear it already because I will try to do my makeup. Oh, just a simple like this. It's not so simple because this is sexy actually. Now, and I prepare my wig and my necklace and brace accessory with a cross. Ayan po. And of course, my DIY, what I did last night, my DIY vampire cake. Ayan. So, makatotohanan. Ayan, this show. O, diba? O, jibun desu kutta desu yo, kore. O, this show. To make it gorgeous like this. Ayan. So, after that, so I wore my sexy dahil I would like to seducing everybody to bite them in the neck. I needed the bloody, so because I'm hungry. Now, okay, so I will prepare my makeup, and of course, I prepare my tools, my makeup kit. Ayan, my makeup kit for so, see you then. We have to put our clip here, so we got to start our makeup. And I prepare all my Halloween nails, and I prepare also my blood paint that I'm going to use to decorate to my neck later on. And maybe I will going to use the wax to make my hair red, or either I better use this. Okay, and okay, our false eyelashes, we don't need that because I have my own false eyelashes, so we don't need this. And of course, our bloody makeup. And don't forget to put your net if you're going to put your wig on your head. Ayan, to fix all your hair and etc. And our routine, so I make my skin routine. Moisturize because we have to put different makeups in our face, so to don't irritate, not irritating your skin, so you better do the first your daily routine. Okay, so after that we have our foundation. Now this time I'm gonna use my nail extractor to make it my foundation for long wear of my foundation. Ayan. And I use 130 to make more whiten. So, of course, I use my sponge. And put it into the your entire face. This time, I will gonna put my eyebrow, and using by this Maybelline, using this black Maybelline color to press on our and put some powder. Put my base on my brows. We're gonna use this powder to contour my face because I had a round shape there. So this time we're gonna put the black lipstick. So I put it a red lipstick top on it. So first we have to do the black base. I use a Mary Quant black lip tint. And especially we have to put a red lip for bloody lipstick. Yeah. We put our bloody here, to make it realistic. Realistic, we have to put a blood vein to our face. This is our blood vein. We're almost done. And we took our accessories. Because I was going to put my wig, so we're gonna wear this hair fixer. So we're gonna put our vampire wig. So I put the capsule I got in it, this small, and I put a a liquid to make fix the ano daw? Ayan. Meron ako magsaluswa kasi nalapas na yung ngipin ko. Okay? So, take the water. So, we're gonna mix this. No! Crazy smell. Weird.